how to send and receive stickers on Monopoly Go. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to send different stickers to your friends. So first things first, open your Monopoly Go as you can see here on our screen. We will be showing you where you have to click and where you have to find your different stickers to send to your friends. Now simply wait and there we go. As you can see right now, this is our Monopoly account, and simply click on album below over here. Over here, you will be able to see the different albums that you have, and simply click one to view different stickers that you want to send to your friend. For example, this one over here, Before Billions. You will see that there will be a button sent to your friend, and you will be able to select a friend based on your friend list. Now, let's use Steven as an example over here. We will be able to send our sticker to this person. We could also enable Make an Exchange, wherein you will be able to exchange stickers with one another. But you could also disable it if you don't want, and simply click on Continue and click on Send Sticker and click on Send over here. And just like that, we have sent a sticker to our friend in Monopoly Go. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.